All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are. Ladies and gentlemen, Rick Reed here, introducing to you my newest postcard in the Cash Cow program. Okay, the unlimited $200 postcard. You do not want to miss this postcard. Okay, but what I want you to do real quick is click on that subscribe button, and right after that, click on that notification bell. You do not want to miss my important updates that's going to be coming. All right, this postcard right here is I just finished it about 30 minutes ago. I'm going to order about 3,000 and send them out. But you know what? The way that these other ones been working right here, let me show you real quick. Remember the broke no more? The new broke no more? Got about 6 orders for that already. And of course, the baby fast cash postcard. Okay, the unlimited $100 is really working, people. So I decided to come up with this. This is something God gave me to do. So I went out, put it together, and you should get great results from this. Also with the great leads that we're going to provide to you for getting started. Now let me break down this unlimited $200 postcard, people. Unlimited $200. I'm gonna show you we had a potential to earn up to $1,200 weekly, and all you simply have to do is mail this beautiful postcard, people. All you have to do. Right here, I have room. Your stamp go right here, okay? Also, your label. You're going to put that lead right here, okay? Right here. You could fold this in half, and when you fold it in half, this is what you get right here. All right. Now, on the other side of this is going to be the sales letter. Okay. So when you print this out, it's going to be in the form of a flyer. Okay, 8.5 by 11 flyer. You're going to fold it up, and they're going to see this right here. Stamp go right here. Put right here, you're going to put that lead. It's going to be folded in half. So when they open it up, they're going to see that sales letter, okay? You automatically get that when you get started with me in my program. But let me break this down for you right here. Of course, it's an unlimited $200. It won't take long for you to get that $200, and 5 books of stamps going to come along with each person that gets started with this. Now, right here, this is what you're going to do. Now, let's look at this. 500. Okay, 500 people get started with you. At the 200 people, that's $1,000 right there. Whether that's done that day, that week, or that month. Let's go 10. Hey, just double it. That's $2,000 that day, that week, and that month. And people, 20 people get started with you from this postcard right here. Guess what? That's $4,000. And here's the deal. You're gonna send, okay, $200 to box number 1, okay? Then when you mail this out and someone gets started, they're gonna send $200 to box 1, and then they're gonna send $200 and 5 books of stamps to you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where the going gets great. The going gets great is because when you reach box 3, what I did was added a residual income of $200 and 5 books of stamps, people. You get this over and over and over again. All you have to do is what I call MUSH, M-U-S-H, mail until something happens. It is as simple as that. You could participate in your own rescue. Now, here you go. Now, the $200 unlimited. Okay, you're gonna get 600 buy leads. All right, you're gonna see 600 leads. You're gonna get $1,000 in grocery coupon voucher of your choice. You're gonna get $1,000 in the fast food restaurant coupon vouchers of your choice. You're going to get a 3-day, 2-night trip. We're taking care of the hotel accommodation. You get to pick the several place you want to go to, ladies and gentlemen, okay? And of course, the MAILBOX Cash Money Marketing Kit, all right? When someone join you, what they are going to send you is this exact same postcard, okay? This exact same postcard, okay? Or it can be the self-mailer, all right? And 5 books of stamps. That's what they're gonna send to you. You're gonna get my unlimited support. People, this is simple, it is easy. Are you still struggling to make money? Well, you don't have to be broke anymore, because with this outstanding, beautiful postcard, people, it can bring in your cash cow. I don't know what you've been doing, and a lot of other things been going on, have been working for you, people. Give it a shot. Participate in your own rescue. Your thoughts determine what you want, but your action determine what you get. Let's get unlimited $200 in your mailbox coming to you as soon as possible, okay? So act now. Act now and get this postcard or the self-mailer, and give me a call, okay? Give me a call right here, 346-704-1754. That's 346-704-1754. Now the phone's been ringing off the hooks, it's been going crazy, but all you have to do is leave me a message, state what you're calling for, and leave a clear number. I know you're excited, and I'm excited about helping you, but you must be clearly and slowly so we can take care of you. Christy is gonna be putting these together, and the thing is, people, when you get started, this is gonna be emailed to you. You're gonna get the same copy, but with your name up here on the top, and with your name right here, people. The thing is, you wanna get to box number 2 and box number 3 as soon as possible. Once you get here, people, you're gonna get that residual income of $200 and 5 books of stamps over and over again. Rick Reed here, www.cashcowprogram.com. This is not on the site yet, but you just give me a call, 346-704-1754. That's 346-704-1754. Let's get some unlimited cash in your pocket. I know it's good to be a copycat. It's good to be a copycat if you're copying the right person. So, with you getting started, you're gonna be copying what I put together, and now you can become a cash cow. Have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button, okay? And click on that notification bell, all right? Also, don't forget these bad boys right here. The Baby Flash Cash 100, all right? The Baby Flash Cash 100, and the Broke No More right here. This is unlimited $200, $300, and $400, all right? Have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. Unlimited 200 postcard presented to you. Have a great day. God bless.